Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, implies ain't nothing 12 right here at this point. Maybe up here. It looked like it. It looked like we have a tiny one. Not a big one, but a tiny one. A bit flood. But no worries. No worries about that. I got that. See? What about my boots? I had my boots on. You hear that noise. Oh, forgot that the concrete more higher on the end of the drain. But with the debris, see? Not too much. Just make it different. Not too much. City of Houston. Now, lots of sleep on a home because they're not really, just tiny. They're tiny. See these tiny holes? I hate them. I don't mind them, but this big gap, I like it. Finally. Ain't not much water come down here, really. Yeah, not really much. Water will come down here, not much. Not really need to be, really. Not that much water, so. Just right here. Just not clogged at all. And just a whole bunch of mud. Really blocking it, really, because there's a sidewalk and just help because all this water soon start next month, okay, and just trying to help because all this mud. With my hands off. Now, it should make a difference. Hey guys, listen, okay? I've been on YouTube for 3 years, and I've been trying to upload a lot more raining videos, but kind of hard to because, no cameraman or, But, I try my best to record though. I don't want to get flashed or hit, Soon as the three vehicles go by, I'm going straight. Here come the rain. Come the rain again. Oh yeah. No. And I'm glad it's raining, but the problem is afterwards, Not much. Just want to unblock that with a bit so it won't flood. I don't want it flooding through here. because it'd be bad if it do. We got a good enough rain, you say, as we say for yourselves. See, all this water will drain now because thanks to me. I thought that was a coin, but I guess not. And it almost 5 o'clock. There were the people saying it's supposed to rain at 1 o'clock, but guess what? We're just having some rain now. Make no sense. You know? Not much, but level. You know, so yeah. Hope you guys like the raining videos. I'm trying to do my best recording because of, you know, no cameraman. But yeah, I'm out. No, not really. Why people have to call me now? While I'm in the middle of the video. I hate that when people do that.